Hi and welcome back. Let's learn how to easily exclude a particular song from Spotify test profile on iPhone and Android. Your Spotify test profile helps the app understand your music preferences and improve recommendations like Discover Weekly, daily mixes, and radio stations. However, sometimes a song may influence your recommendations in a way you don't want, such as kids' music, sleep sounds, or songs you played only temporarily. Thankfully, you can exclude certain songs or playlists from affecting your test profile directly from the Spotify app on both iPhone and Android. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch the Spotify app on your iPhone or the Android device. Then you have to navigate to the playlist that contains the song you don't want influencing your recommendations. Then you have to hit the three-dot menu icon ellipsis button located at the top of the playlist screen. Then you have to look for the option labeled Exclude from your test profile. Then you have to tap this option to enable it, and that's about it. Once enabled, Spotify will ignore the songs in that playlist when generating recommendations. This means tracks from that playlist will no longer influence personalized suggestions such as Discover Weekly, Please Radar, and other algorithm-driven playlists. It's worth pointing out that the exclusion setting applies to the entire playlist, not individual songs. You can toggle the setting on or off anytime using the same menu. This feature is especially useful for sleep playlists, focus music, white noise tracks, or children's songs that don't represent your usual listening habits. The songs will still remain playable and saved in your library. They simply won't affect Spotify's recommendation system. By managing what's influencing your taste profile, you can keep Spotify's recommendations more aligned with the music you actually enjoy listening to every day. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy but hidden feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives in order to spice up your music time. And I'll catch you up with the next one.